Brother, you reverse from the one way. Where is he going?
You can press your thing now.
Is he seeing us? Press your horn. He never see it.
I mean, you never see me.
It's when you blow your heart, it move out of the way. He never see you.
What is he doing? You miss him turn or something?
I don't know what happened a while ago, but I don't know if I would be in the car with the phone because I was ready to go so while ago. Now I'm bail out of this while ago because when that slam in the car.
When gone back, that's a gone there.
Gone the traffic. Come on, Lord make him go.
Man, a joke, man. Must be a man do that thing, man. No man nah do that the reverse thing.
No, you'll probably see like the woman running up on that side of the road.
I want them a video catch him. I want them a video catch him.
Of course, video catch him. You have to name that one the bite of the week.
The bite of the week.
What not to do on the highway? Reverse.
Welcome everybody. Hi, thank you so much for opening the video. I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Jordan. Young people, can you hear me?
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, do not reverse on the highway. As a matter of fact, do not reverse on any one-way road. All right. So I'm actually on Highway 2000. I'm heading to Portmore, one of my favorite places to sell houses. You know, I want you to buy a house. Yes. If Portmore is in your budget, I want you to consider Portmore. Go and look at Portmore and buy a house in Portmore. I know you want to buy a house, but I realize a lot of you don't know the house buying process. So, I'm inviting you to join me on YouTube Live starting this Sunday, November 22 at 5 p.m. Join me and I will answer your real estate questions. But I'll go even further. You're also invited to join me on Zoom. Yes, the Zoom sessions will start at 6 p.m. same November 22nd. And this is where we will discuss, I will teach you what I know about money, finance, and real estate. So if you want to join me on the Zoom session, you're going to click on the link below. All right, click in the link, register, and you would have been registered for the Zoom session. Those of you who have been following me, you know that I've hosted these sessions before. Yes, I've hosted the sessions before. Some of you took action and came into the Zoom session and you learned a lot. Some of you didn't. But I want you to listen to this gentleman. Mr. Francis, he took action and he registered for the Zoom session.
Hi, my name is Mr. Francis. I am one of Miss Claudia Davis' subscribers. I enjoy watching the videos she made encouraging people to invest in Jamaica. And Miss Claudia had inspired me to start thinking about investing and retiring in Jamaica. I remember one time I was coming from Jamaica and I sat on the plane next to this little old white lady. And she asked me if I was going to America on vacation. Then I told her, no, I live in America. Then I asked her, so how was your vacation in Jamaica? Did you enjoy yourself? She said, no, she was not on vacation. She lived in Jamaica. She retired there. Now she's flying back to America to visit her friends and family. Then it struck me. I said, but wait, this is what Miss Claudia have been telling people all along. Take advantage of the opportunities that Jamaica has to offer. Then I made up my mind to purchase a beautiful property in Jamaica with sea view, which I started building on it right away. So I was very thankful for Miss Claudia for the encouragement to purchase in Jamaica and start looking into real estate in Jamaica. But one of the things I am most thankful for is the Zoom session Miss Claudia had. And I had the privilege of sitting in the class and learn. Miss Claudia was teaching about money, finance, and real estate. And I can tell you, I have learned a lot. What I have learned from Miss Claudia, if I had learned it from my parents or 20 years ago, I would have been much further in life than I am right now. So, Miss Claudia, I want to thank you for the opportunity that you give me to learn about all these things that you have taught me and many others. And I'm sure they are all thankful that was in the class. I'm telling you guys, please take the class. You're gonna learn a lot. You will never regret it. And I can proudly say I was one of Miss Claudia's subscribers, and now I am one of her friends. I can go to her with questions, and I know she will give me honest, hearted answers. So please, I am not getting into details about the Zoom session because I want you guys to join and enjoy it. But it was very informative and it helped me a lot, a whole lot. And now I look at life differently and start doing things differently. So Miss Claudia, once again, I want to thank you. Please continue doing what you're doing, encouraging people. And you guys will learn and benefit a lot from Miss Claudia. Please use this testimony to help others, to have them learn about financing. Thank you. I appreciate it.
876 292 677666. You want a house? Link Claudia Davis, man. You want a piece of land? She are the real big woman. Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she, you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She tell me pre-smart, pre-better. Get your own damn place so you prefer it. Dear me wife if you sign up letter car. NHT them a real trend setter. Plus me don't get a youth of a member. Me son just on table in December. And she do construction too. She will be the house for you and you get it well rendered. Davis, she are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She now start it and left you there. Me I tell your brother, yes, she well prepared. And if you're meeting and no farmer panga wrong, she give you lawyer, brother, clear your fear. She are the best RST agent. She help the need if you stop pay rent. They don't care about mind them, just give me strength by steel and gravel and black and cement out. Now me house that I build up on the eye. Me I save some me money gone up in the sky from. Me meet Claudia, me say me nah lie bank. Have money and me pocket never giant. Me swear for me life, say me son him off fi fly. So hypocrite here gone now we die. No can't stop Claudia Davis, don't try. Every day another house gone. I Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Yeah man. You know, Claudia Davis.
So we're on the left here now. This is Edgewater on the left.
Subscribe.
How much you sold at Edgewater for?
probably
Claudia
reach that
Davis.
water. On the right
Get
is
your
Bridgeview.
house anywhere. Just
So
be
we rented a
prepared.
house